day in the presence of man and God, whether it's for good or bad, pleasure or pain, we will walk the road to destiny, hearts and hands together.
It's our pleasure to have you all here tonight. Your presence is highly appreciated. It's a true blessing to have you all here to celebrate Steve and Jennifer as husband and wife.
Welcome to the night we've all been waiting for. Tonight is 8 years in the making. Love has not only brought two people together, it has brought us all together.
We welcome you into our family with love and affection. And I hope the two of you spend the rest of your life with much love, affection, and prosperity.
So the journey begins today. It's always a journey. And the journey continues with prayers and the presence of the Lord. Hindus look at marriage not only as a husband and a wife, but as the bonding of two hearts and two souls together.
Growing up with my brother was great. Should I mention the times he'd make me cry over math homework? Or the times he had me playing video games in the basement for hours with my mom yelling at me because we didn't see sunlight?
Ever since their engagement, everyone has told me that I'm now losing my sister. But honestly, I view it as Steve tagging himself onto our sisterhood.
Today, I want to acknowledge how proud I am of the person you've become, and even prouder that someone likes you enough to marry you.
Today, he has chosen an amazing bride. You have an amazing person that actually is a better half now to spend the rest of his life with.
Blue skies, looking in my rear view. Can't stop smiling, I don't want to. Nothing will ever be the same.
My handsome and loving son, you brought into my home a beautiful and smart daughter and could not ask for more. I'm so blessed to be a part of your fairy tale today.
Good though, it's not so unique.
Jennifer is always has been a sweet, beautiful, intelligent girl. We are overjoyed for this marriage as we know how much she deserves this happiness.
Steve, we are proud of you and Jennifer for taking the next big step. We will always be here to support you.
Jennifer and Steve, congratulations on your wedding. Life has many more amazing things to share in this chapter.
I want you to know I will always be by your side and cheering you on.